You think so?
Like that.
This is kind of crazy. We stumbled on this random big open space of like dirt and sand, and there's just tons of animal tracks in here. It's very cool.
Like that.
So it's been raining on us all day. It's freaking freezing. Leo is champ. We are getting pounded out here. It's crazy. You cold, Leo?
It's so cold. Oh my god, bro.
In search of Bigfoot. Yes, that is water coming in every side of the tent. Oh, yep. Water over there.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yep. He's out of the water, Leo.
Oh, I don't know if I can sleep.
Oh my God, there's so much water coming in the tent. This is bad. Our tent is failing. This tent was a bad idea.
Bro, the whole, it's like messed up. It's like so wet right now, actually. It's actually really wet.
This tent was not the best purchase, is what we are learning right now.
Cheap.
It's a cheap tent. We should have bought a nicer tent. It said it was ultralight backpacking tent. A little too cheap, as it is leaking water so much inside. It's 5 a.m. in the morning. We haven't slept a wink a night, all night. And our tent is soaking wet. We've been laying in puddles. We're miserable.
We're sleeping next to each other.
We had to cuddle up because we were freezing.
Yeah.
And we're getting out of here as quickly as we can. But we are soaking wet, and
was
all
like-
of our gear is wet.
I felt like 30 degrees last night.
It's so cold. It's just pouring rain. The wind was just hitting our tent so much. We're getting out of here as quickly as we can. Wish us best of luck.